In this video, we'll review how to mark an account as balance sheet only in RightCapital. Balance sheet only is a useful option in situations where you may want to see a certain asset included in a client's current net worth, but excluded from a client's retirement projections. To do this, navigate to the Profile Net Worth section of a client's plan. For each asset and liability entered here, you'll find an Included in Plan setting within the data entry drawer. Select the Balance Sheet Only option here, and then click Save. Whereas the Yes and No options will fully include or exclude the account from the entire client plan, the Balance Sheet Only option is unique in that it will only include the asset here in the client's current net worth and in the client's balance sheet, located within the Dashboard section. The asset will be excluded from all other areas of the plan, including the forward-looking projections in the retirement module. For more information, please don't hesitate to utilize the resources within our Help Center or to reach out to our advisor support team for more details.